Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to Looker Studio by typing its URL into your browser and then sign into your account. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options on the home page. Next, click on Blank Report, which you'll usually find near the top of the page. Starting with a blank report gives you a clean canvas to design freely without any preset templates getting in your way. After you select that option, a new window will appear asking you to add a data source. This is where Google Sheets comes in. From the list of available data sources, select Google Sheets. Now, choose the specific sheet or workbook you'd like to connect. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that has access to that file. Looker Studio will display a list of your available sheets. Just click the one you want to use. At this point, you might need to adjust some basic settings, such as data range or permissions. Always ensure your sharing permissions are properly set, especially if you plan to share your finished report later. Once everything is linked, click on Add and you're ready to begin building. You can now add charts, tables, scorecards, and other visuals to represent your data however you like. Experiment with different formats, colors, and layouts until you find what best communicates your insights. And that's it. So that is how you can use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. So that's all for this video. Thanks.